In resin art, they say your creative output is as unlimited as your imagination. Resins, or epoxy resins as the actual name goes, are two-component system consisting of resin and hardener. By mixing the two components, a chemical reaction takes place so that the liquid resin gradually hardens to a solid substance. The result is a high-gloss clear surface. With resin, you can create works of art that enchant with their clarity, luminosity, brilliance, and depth. Color pigments or other additives are added to the resin for effects. Resin is a great impersonator. It can be colored to look like almost anything: rocks, gemstones, and colored glass. Different effects can be created by choosing the painting ground, type of casting, colors, and additives. In this 20-hour course by Penkraft, we will first introduce you to the resin and their properties, how to handle them, types of surfaces that you can create resin art on, the ratio and proportion of resin and hardener needed for various works of art. Before we move on to teaching you different techniques for executing resin art and individual effects, we conclude by sharing tips and tricks that we have learned over the years that make your experience of resin art exciting, invigorating, and fulfilling. Just remember, art is ongoing and even experienced resin artists have not yet finished learning. So have fun. In this course, you shall learn to create resin art on wall clock, coasters, and tray.